We are pleased to show you the 2017 F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, dual rear wheels, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find adjustable pedals, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, driver vanity mirror, power driver seat, power passenger seat. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.